The only hitch I have, Bwana PS and the director, the OCS, and I want to call a spade a spade. The OCS here should be transferred. He does Makendo. I've been here several times, and he intimidates the junior officers. And I'm requesting Bwana PS that is the only hitch that I'm having. The PS is not doing a good job. The Ruahaha PS, I mean not PS, but the OCS, the Ruahaha OCS should be transferred. And if he's transferred, I don't have any problem in Ruahaha or in this sub-county. That's the only problem that we are having with the officers about the security. He came to look for money. His salary is not enough for him. So I'm requesting that the OCS should be transferred. And if possible, even today. Thank you, Bwana PS.
Thank you.